Ever found yourself stuck without a charger for your Garmin Forerunner 205 or 305? It's frustrating when your trusted workout companion runs out of juice, especially mid-training. What if you could get a reliable replacement charging cradle that plugs into AC or USB power, without breaking the bank? This charging cradle does exactly that, giving you the freedom to power up your watch anytime, anywhere. I ran into this exact problem when I misplaced my original charging plate. At first, I thought I'd have to buy a whole new watch. But this replacement cradle proved to be a smart, cost-effective solution. It's compact, easy to use, and compatible with both AC adapters and USB ports. I simply plugged it in, and my Forerunner 305 was back in action without a hitch. Plus, having a spare on hand means no more worries about losing power during crucial workouts. Beyond charging, your Forerunner 205 or 305 offers impressive training features. It tracks time, pace, distance, lap data, elevation, calories burned, and more. You can customize the workout screens to focus on the stats that matter most to you. It even records up to 1,000 laps, storing about 2 years of data, which you can download to your PC using the included software. The watch itself supports dual time, date, and alarm functions, making it more than just a fitness tracker. If you're looking for a hassle-free way to keep your Garmin Forerunner powered and ready, this replacement charging cradle is worth a look. It's a straightforward, affordable fix that lets you continue training without interruption. Try it when you're ready. It's a small investment that keeps your fitness journey on track.